me in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul.
Hey babies, it's your girl Rere'S and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I welcome you to my channel. But if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. I'm glad you're here again. So basically, today is the 29th of March 2023, and yeah, I'm currently at Yanokwaja. I don't really know this place like that, but yeah, I sure know I'm at Yanokwaja. My dad and I brought my sister to come write our jam mock. So yeah, our exam was meant to be by 7. It's like a mock examination. I was meant to start by 7, but we got there like 8 o'clock. Can you imagine? I was saying my dad, oh, daddy, we get there late, blah, blah, blah. My dad was like, no, you know this African parent mentality, sha. So we got there, and my sister already went in since 8 o'clock, and this is 4 minutes to 9. She's just coming back telling us that they didn't allow us to enter inside the place. And I'm like, I said it, like, I told you niggas. I told y'all niggas. Y'all thought I was playing, but I told y'all. But they refused to listen to me. So my daddy now he has gone to para there. He has gone to para. I don't know what will happen. So back to the real important matter. So today that I went out, just thought that it would just be the perfect time to introduce this vlog. So I don't know, I mentioned in my introduction video, if you have not seen that video, I mentioned in my introduction video that I have 3 siblings. If you have not seen that video, yeah, this is going to be linked to this video, so go and watch it, check it out, and just watch it and get to know me. So I mentioned I have 3 siblings. I don't know if I mentioned that they are girls. So yeah, I have 3 siblings, 3 sisters, including me, so about 4 girls. And one of them, my older sister, will be traveling to Canada in 3 days time. Like, I'm having mixed emotions. I'm really excited. I'm happy because it's great news. I'm so excited. I'm thrilled. I'm also sad because I will miss her so much. She's just like she's my go-to sister. I will miss her so much. So that's one of the things I'm not happy about because I will miss her. But it's good. It's good. Yeah. So like I said, my sister will be leaving very soon. So I decided to like take you guys. I've decided in my heart that I'm not going to leave my babies out in this preparations and everything. So this video is just going to be like showing you guys the whole preparation process and everything. I'll be taking you guys along with me almost everywhere. When it involves like a preparation and everything, I'll be showing you guys, not everything. And this video will be out like a month or 2 months after this day. I'm trying to say. You guys should bear with me. I'm not the one packing and going, but I'll just try to vlog it baby. So yeah, I also have this video I want to shoot before that day. There's a girl already with me. I already relaxed my yesterday. So yeah, I want to shoot that one. So you guys, I don't know if I'll show you guys that one, but by the time this video will be out, when this video will be out, you guys would have seen the girl already with me like weeks or months ago, no, weeks ago, sha. So yeah.
346 minutes later.
So I just finished talking to my dad now, and he said that they postponed the exam or something. I don't know, sha, but they just said they postponed it. And I don't know if that's good news, but it's good news for my sister. Like, yo. So we'll be going home now. We'll be heading home because there's nothing we can do. We have to go. And the gaps, I'll meet you guys later. I don't know, maybe tomorrow again.
Psych! Choco bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. Mamma mia, be adult. I no go feed the girl, it's out. I'm a mind that's in the dark. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba Brayo, my ayo, don't cry yo.
So guys, I just been shooting my girl with me, and I don't know how I feel about the video. To be honest, I don't know, because it's like my first time trying something like that. When I'm done editing, I'll let you guys know if I like the video or not or something. If you guys see the video on my channel, that means I really like it. That means I edited it well and I love it. But if you don't see it, that means I didn't do well. That is at the salon. She's making her hair. I couldn't follow her because the place is quite far from my house. So yeah, I already told her to make clips of the stuff, so if she does, you guys will see it. What she does not do, you guys will still get to see her hair later. And yeah, besides that, I have to go to the dry cleaner's place to get her clothes. And some of the clothes she took to the dry cleaner's place, I have to go and collect it. I'll also be receiving a package very soon. It's a package, but I'll be the one receiving it. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for now. I don't know when the delivery man will be coming, but I think of April 2023, and yeah, it's a day too. So my sister will be packing her stuff today, packing her load, packing her bags. So yeah, that's what's just going to happen today. I'll be helping her obviously, and just normal things like clothes, food stuff, shoes obviously. And if you're wondering why she's taking food stuff there, because African foods or Nigerian foods in general are quite expensive there, so it's better to buy some of them here before you travel there. So that's what's gonna happen. So yeah, so yeah. Hi. So today is the 3rd of April 2023. And yeah, I just woke up and it's currently 8:30. So yeah, I need to go get dressed because we'll be leaving by 9 o'clock. And our flight is by 1:40, but we'll be leaving early, so we'll not get there late. And I don't know, I'm not sure we'll be going to the airport immediately. We might just go somewhere else. Then when it's almost time for her to leave, we'll go to the airport. I'm not sure, but like I'll just take you guys along with me. So I'll talk to you guys when I come back.
Everywhere.